I'll give you 4 tips. So that will help you to learn and draw the freehand drawing like this. So guys, let me tell you one more thing. This is very important. So the freehands help you create a beautiful paintings like this, and also it is the basics for all your art. Let it be sketching, pencil drawing, or painting, or anything. Let's see guys, see how beautiful it came out. So you can also draw like this. Hope everybody like the final freehand drawing, how it came out. So let's go to the tips. So this is very important guys. See how I am drawing one line, very zigzag, small strokes. Don't do that. Look at the second line, how elegant it is and how beautiful. So first tip is, don't draw small zigzag like lines or small strokes. Avoid that. Try to draw as much single curves as possible. So that is the first main tip, and that is the most important one too. Maybe you find it a little difficult at first guys. It is difficult maybe, but try it out. Draw with pencil, you can always erase it. Draw with confidence, so this improves your drawing. You see how elegant it is. So for example, this smiley everybody knows, so why you need to draw with small strokes? You can draw quickly, I guess. So same way, if you practice more curves, you can draw so quick. See how elegant and beautiful if you draw with the single curves. So that is the most important tip and the first one. Next, let's move on to the second tip. So second tip is to help you build up your confidence. Draw as much small circles as possible guys. Take out an old paper, draw circles. So if possible, you put the center dot also. Then once the circles are done, you feel very happy, you are drawing very good circles. Go to some concentric circles, draw one circle inside each other. Then try to draw some small flowers or something. Maybe other good thing to do, you can take out like a 2-line copy books which one the children use. So if not, you don't get that book, then draw using scale or ruler 2 lines and try to fill the curves inside that. This helps you very much. And don't constrain yourself. Draw different curves, different lines, different circles. Keep drawing as much as possible, but don't worry about it is going wrong or not coming good. As you draw more, your hand gets free. So that's the whole idea of freehand sketch. You'll be free to draw any curves. So once the small curves are done, draw some flowers. Go to the complicated curves. So watch out to some mandala art or something, you will get more ideas. Next, once that is done, let's go to the third tip. Take out some good curved drawings. For example, a flower vase. Draw the one half, fold the paper, draw the other half. So this helps you understand the symmetry better, draw the curves better. So maybe you can take out the simple figures like these flowers, then move on to the complicated curves. So once one side is drawn, you can try to replicate on the other side. So this way it helps you understand the symmetry, plus help you draw the curves much faster. Go to the complicated one, you can get a lot of. So once the smaller curves are done, simpler ones are done, go to the complicated ones. Take out as much good curves as possible and try to draw on the other side. Now coming to the fourth tip. If you find it very difficult to draw on the other side and you are not able to do, then you can try out this one. Find out the most important and critical points on the circles or curves, then measure that points. For example, 10 centimeter on this side, measure the 10 centimeter on the other side and put a dot. So guys, I plan to show with my ruler or scale, but I couldn't find it. Sorry, I was not using it for some time, could not find that. So we measure it, same measurement. For example, 10 centimeter this side, measure the 10 centimeter other side, put the dots. Now you got a base, you got a lot of dots to fill in, so you can confidently draw it. So this is one way of practicing guys. Try it. This will give you more confidence. So try it out for a lot of images. Once you're confident, then you can avoid the dots. And if still this dots also not helping you much, you find more difficulty, you can draw the lines, very thin lines, then measure and put the dots. So you can use a lot of lines if you want middle regions, not only on the major ones. So you'll get a lot of dots and you can exactly replicate on the other side. So other way is this is very helpful when you want to copy the particular curve as exactly as it is. Guys, do all these 4 tips. You can also draw the beautiful painting like this. So hope everybody like it and you practice and draw the same way. So thank you everyone. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video. So let's wait for the next one. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.